guys, it's me, Monica, and today I think it's going to be a really exciting video because I am going to show you guys how I make my slime. So, let's get on with the video. So I have all the ingredients I'm going to need. I used Tide for activator. I also going to use some white glue, or you can also use craft glue. I have paint, acrylic paint, because I want my slime to be purple, just like the paint I have. And I have a little glass container I could use to put my slime in. So first, I'm going to take my container right here, and I'm going to take my white glue. I like to open it like this, so I can get more out of it. And I'm just going to dump it inside my container. Okay, that should be enough. Now I am going to use Tide. Put a bit of that in there. Okay, that should be enough. And now I am going to get a secret ingredient, so I'll be coming right back. And now I got my stirring straw. That was the secret ingredient I was missing. Now, as you can see, I have my glue and Tide here. I'm just going to mix it. And it forms a wonderful gooey slime. But don't forget, you can always add a little more glue if it's too, slimy and stuff. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some more. Okay, so I've added more glue, and now it gives it, a better look. And it's more activated than it was before. And I can mix it. So now I am going to add a few drops of some paint. So I usually add 3, but for this one, I just made a little batch. So now I used 1. Ooh, I think I put the lid too much there. Oh. And now, as you guys can see, I got a lovely color I like, and it looks wonderful. Okay, guys, thanks for liking. As it says, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Love you. Mwah.